What is good, YouTube? It is your girl Brinks. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing a, I don't know why I got that on. We are doing a start of a hair video today. So I told you guys that we were doing a crochet. Of course, you guys know kind of how this goes. I usually just pretty much record the start and you guys just see kind of clips of me going from there. Got my cap on to add extra security. That wind is gone out there. So we are doing half green and silver, half red and silver, candy cane inspired hair for Christmas. It's actually going to stay in probably a week or two after January because we gonna get our use out of this, y'all. I don't care what nobody gotta say. I don't care, okay? So hair was purchased from Amazon, y'all. I have 3 packs of red that I'm going to have to cut down to length. This is 30 inches. I'm going to have to cut it down to 24 because all of my silver is 24. I didn't think about it until I just looked at it. But it's already here, so. And then I have 6 packs. I think 7 because I had an extra one here already. Yeah, I have actually 1 pack of 30 that was already here. So I have 6 packs of silver. So I could probably install this 30 pack of silver like somewhere and then mixing this red. It could work out. I don't think it's enough of the silver to kind of compensate for that red. But I mean, we could probably try to make it work because the green is also 30 inches. So, I don't know, y'all. We can see. If I had another 30 inches of silver, it could work out. But I don't think that's enough. I don't think that's enough. Because all of the red and green is 30 inches. So, silver, so red. And then we have our green, y'all. So, I don't know what side I want to do red and what side I want to do green though.
Seriously, mommy.
I guess it don't matter. It don't matter. So. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm going to try to do this while I'm working on the clock and not use my microphone as much. But with how busy we've been, I don't know how productive it's going to be because phone calls have been coming in left and right. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to be kind of putting this in while kind of paying attention. Y'all, I'm upset though. I'm trying to be focused, y'all, and actually do the video, but I'm upset because I missed my Amazon delivery. This was my second one. The first one was when I drove my sister up to Dayton for an interview, and it was snowing coming back, so when we came back, it was already past the time for me to be at the location to pick up the packages, and they put that down as a missed delivery, even though I was about to be on my way. So, and I don't even know how many that you got. I don't even know how many you can miss before they pretty much take you off the list. So I'm kind of concerned about that. But yeah, that's kind of where I am right now, y'all. And I just woke up, y'all, so I'm groggy. So anyways, let's get started. So like I said, y'all will see clips of me working on this and pretty much going from there. I am going to start from pretty much the inside out. This hair stings. Smells like
Bruh.
seasoning. I don't know. We walk around smelling like food. I don't know, y'all. But anyways, if I'm just tired, y'all, because I was up working on the hallway yesterday, and now I done missed my delivery. And the thing is, like, y'all, I scheduled it at 6 o'clock, and I went to bed. I was only gonna get like 3 hours anyway, but I scheduled it with a little bit of sleep. That's the point. So I don't know. Y'all will see a little bit of clips throughout, but let's get started. I'm just bummed.
Aww.
Alright, y'all, so here I had to go get my nails done because they were busted, y'all. They were busted. So I have gotten to the point where I wait 3 to 4 weeks before a nail appointment. I had 3 broken nails. First of all, 3 broken nails, y'all. They need to get repaired. And then I had to get a fill-in. Got my fill-in and got my Christmas design. So yeah, it took a couple hours. Especially because I go to one of my closest friends. So once it was done, I didn't get out of there until like midnight-ish. So yeah, my appointment was supposed to be at 8. She was already doing another person by the time I got there. So she didn't really get started on me until like 10, y'all. She didn't get started on me until 10. And then I wasn't done until like midnight. I was falling asleep, so she made me some mocha espresso because I was gonna be falling asleep behind the wheel first of all before I got home. But yeah, I told y'all will be watching a get ready with me for my get ready with Christmas look. I don't know if I'm gonna do a makeup look. I'm gonna try to do one Christmas Eve for this full overall look if I can. If not, y'all just won't see me in some pajamas with my Christmas hair, Christmas nails. It just is what it is. I already did the reveal on this all together, so y'all already know what it looked like, but still.